Here in the United States, we love everything supersized. Giant burgers, massive trucks, and when it comes to huge engineering projects, we've got plenty to boast about. Ever seen the Golden Gate Bridge? Total legend. But America, you might want to buckle in, because China's been quietly crafting some bridges so mind-blowing, they'll leave you speechless before you can even say infrastructure. We're talking about spans so long they could cross the Grand Canyon, heights that would give Spider-Man vertigo, and designs that might even make Elon Musk do a double take. So hold tight, we're diving into the sky-high world of China's mega bridges. Alright folks, first stop on our Bridgealicious adventure takes us deep into the heart of China, where the mountains meet the sky. Buckle up, because we're about to get vertical. This is the Chishui River Bridge, and let me tell you, this thing's a real humdinger. Imagine, if you will, a bridge so high it makes the Empire State Building look like a fire hydrant. I'm talking 350 meters above the Chishui River, nestled in some of the most rugged terrain you've ever laid eyes on. Now you don't just throw up a bridge in this neck of the woods, this is serious engineering, folks. We're talking about a 2-kilometer ribbon of steel and concrete, snaking its way through mountains like a concrete condor. See, China needed a way to connect the Sichuan and Guizhou provinces, to boost trade and all that good stuff. Problem was, there was this little thing called the Chishui River standing in their way. Not exactly a puddle you can just hop over, you know? So what did they do? They said, "Hey, river, hold my beer," and built this monster. $250 million later, and boom! You got yourself a bridge that'd make a mountain goat think twice. This, my friends, is what happens when human ingenuity goes toe-to-toe with Mother Nature. And let me tell you, it's a beautiful thing. Now I know what you're thinking, Mike, you've shown us high, but can you show us weird? You bet your sweet asphalt I can. Say hello to the Green Juice Bridge, and no, it doesn't come with a side of kale. This bad boy is the world's first single-tower, single-span suspension bridge. That's right, folks, one tower, holding up an entire bridge. It's enough to make your brain do backflips. This engineering marvel, stretching a cool 1,200 meters, connects Yuxi and Chuxiongyi Autonomous Prefecture in Yunnan Province. Before this beauty came along, the only way to get between these two places was a slow, winding mountain road that'd make a snail impatient. Now, you're zipping back and forth like a caffeinated hummingbird. Talk about a game changer. But hold on, there's more. The Green Juice Bridge isn't just a local hero, it's part of a much bigger picture. We're talking a 190-kilometer expressway that links up with a massive 9,000-kilometer international route connecting China to Myanmar, Laos and Thailand. This thing's like the Grand Central Station of bridges. And that single pylon design? Not just for show, folks. It saves on materials, saves on money, and looks damn good doing it. That's what I call a win-win-win. Alright folks, buckle up those chin straps, because we're about to ascend to new heights, literally. This is the Pingtang Bridge, and it's not for the faint of heart. Imagine driving through the mountains of Guizhou Province, minding your own business, when suddenly, bam! You're soaring through the clouds. That's the Pingtang Bridge experience. This behemoth stretches over 2,135 meters, making it longer than your average grocery store line on a Sunday afternoon. But the real kicker? The height. We're talking 332 meters of pure, unadulterated air beneath your wheels. That's like stacking 8 statues of liberty on top of each other and driving across their pointy heads. Now I've seen my fair share of bridges, but this one takes the cake. It's the world's tallest cable-stayed bridge, boasting the highest bridge pylon on the planet. And as if that wasn't enough, it also snags the title of longest span for its kind. This bridge isn't just breaking records, it's pulverizing them. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a marvel of engineering, and a reminder that sometimes the best way to overcome an obstacle is to build a ridiculously awesome bridge over it. Chapter 4. You ever look at something and think, how in the heck did they build that? That's the Yangbaoshan Bridge in a nutshell. This steel truss suspension bridge, standing a proud 300 meters above the ground, looks like it was plucked straight out of a science fiction movie. We're talking 6 lanes of traffic soaring effortlessly over a river and reservoir. But this isn't just some vanity project, folks. The Yangbaoshan Bridge is a lifeline. It connects 2 major cities via the Guanghangping Highway, slashing a grueling 5-hour mountain trek down to a breezy 1.2-hour drive. Talk about a game changer. And it's not just big, it's beautiful. The way the steel arches gracefully across the landscape, the way the cables seem to defy gravity, It's enough to make an engineer weep with joy. This bridge is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, a symbol of progress, and a reminder that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, we can achieve incredible things. Chapter 5. Alright folks, we've seen bridges that climb mountains and bridges that touch the sky. Now get ready for a bridge that conquers the sea. This is the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, and it's an absolute beast. We're talking 55 kilometers of steel and concrete, stretching across the Pearl River Delta like a mechanical sea serpent. This isn't just the longest sea-crossing bridge in the world, it's a symbol of ambition on a scale that's hard to comprehend. Imagine this. You're cruising along, ocean breeze in your hair, skyscrapers glittering in the distance. You've got Hong Kong on one side, Macau on the other, and a whole lot of blue in between. This bridge doesn't just connect points on a map, it connects 3 of Asia's biggest hitters. But building a bridge this massive over open water, that's not for the faint of heart. We're talking typhoons, earthquakes, salt corrosion, the works. But did that stop these engineers? Heck no, they threw everything they had at it, using enough steel to build 60 Eiffel Towers. And the craziest part? A 6.7-kilometer section dips right under the waves, connecting to an underwater tunnel flanked by 2 man-made islands. It's like something out of a James Bond movie, except it's real. Chapter 6. So there you have it folks, a glimpse into the awe-inspiring world of China's mega bridges. From the dizzying heights of the Chishui River Bridge to the sea-spanning marvel of the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, these structures are more than just feats of engineering. They're symbols of human potential. They represent the power of collaboration, the audacity of imagination, and the unwavering belief that we can overcome any obstacle if we set our minds to it. These bridges connect people, cultures, and economies, fostering growth and understanding on a global scale. They inspire us to dream bigger, reach further, and never stop pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Because in the end, it's not just about the bridges themselves, it's about the connections they create and the brighter future they help build. Outro, we've seen some incredible things today, haven't we? These bridges, they're not just about getting from point A to point B. They're about pushing the limits of what we can do when we work together. It's about taking risks, embracing challenges, and never backing down from a little hard work. And let me tell you, there's a whole lot of hard work that goes into building something like this. These bridges are a testament to the human spirit, to our ability to overcome any obstacle and achieve the seemingly impossible. So next time you see a bridge, don't just walk or drive across it. Take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity, the sweat, and the sheer determination that went into building it. Because these structures, they're not just connecting places, they're connecting us all.